Good day, all pet matters. Today we are going to introduce puppies of solid food for the first time to our puppies. So now we have here our softened puppy dog food. Okay, and we're going to give our 8 puppies 2 teaspoons each. Okay, so now we're going to put it here in a big bowl, and later we serve 8 puppies with this 4 double bowl. So now we 1, 16 spoons, and now we're going to add water. Okay, add water, and I wash my hands thoroughly before I prepare this puppy dog food, so I just use my hands. Let's see later if our puppy will do well eating our first mash puppy dog food. And this is how it looks. Okay. I just wash my hands and see you later. So now we're going to give our puppy equal of 2 spoons of soft doggy food for each puppy. Okay. So I will put here. Okay. Put the other here. And now we get the puppies. They like it. This is the first time eating puppy soft food. Come on. They are all learning how to eat solid food. So I still have some here, but I won't give it to them because they will still nurse to their mommy dog. Okay, they will still receive milk from their mommy dog. It's almost finished. So, first time feeding soft solid food for puppies is a little bit messy. So if each puppy learn how to eat soft solid food, I will supervise them by twos. So each will eat the same amount of food so that no one will receive lesser food, especially when the mommy dog stop nursing. It's almost done. I plan to feed them 3 times a day with solid soft food. At the same time, while nursing milk to their mommy dog. I hope you like our video for today. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.